Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So for you to be able to activate your Instagram account, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So first thing you have to do is open your Instagram account. Once you open it, then tap on the profile icon. Once tap on it, then tap on this 3-line icon at the right top corner of the screen. Once you do that, then tap on account center. Then from there, scroll down a little, then tap on personal detail. You tap on it. Then from there, you tap on account ownership and control. Then from here, you tap on deletion you tap on deactivation and deletion. So you tap on it. Then right here, then you select the account which you want to deactivate or you want to delete on Instagram. So once you do that, for the next step, then input your account password. Then your account will be, you have to state the reason why you want to deactivate or delete your account on Instagram. Once you state that, then you can now proceed, then deactivate your account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.